Where is the solar panel in the dot bulkhead solar light? Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the SolarCentre, where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the dot bulkhead solar light. Let's unbox! The dot bulkhead solar light is a stylish, versatile and easy to use lighting solution for your outdoor spaces. With its wireless design, it installs quickly without the need for mains powers or cables, making it ideal for porches, sheds or walls. Let's open it up. So inside the box we have the light, the screws, the wall bracket and the USB cable. Let's get into the light. So this light has a 20cm diameter and a 7cm depth. It is completely effortless to set up this light. To activate your dot, you'll need to unscrew the 4 screws on the back and ease out the battery connector from the socket. Wait 10 seconds and then reconnect. Simply align the bracket and the wall light in the upward position. Be sure to have measured out the correct distance between the screws first. Then drill into a wall or a fence and slide the light onto the bracket. If the light is installed in a poor location with little sunlight, it may not perform to the best of its ability. So it's absolutely crucial that this light gets plenty of sunlight. This light has 3 lighting options with different brightness settings. Simply tap the fingerprint button on the side of the light to change the settings. The lighting options include warm white, neutral and cool white. On a full charge, these lights can run for 20 days without any solar input. You can quickly charge these lights via the USB port on the back of the light. Simply unscrew the USB cap to access the port. Hidden inside the light is a backup solar panel, which can lengthen the time between USB charges if your dot is installed in an unshaded location. These lights will activate at dusk and remain on for 6 hours on a full charge. This light emits 80 lumens, offering a nice subtle glow to your garden. If you have any questions on this light, please do leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, it makes all the difference. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.